Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Give you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. We are going to be posting up some of our market recaps for you guys, some of the levels that we're looking to trade. And how we traded it for the day on the S&P regular and also so ES, and then the micro ES as well for you guys. So if you guys do want to check those videos out, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and also subscribe to the notifications. When you get that ring, go ahead and check out those videos. But with that said, let's go ahead and start with S&P 500. So we got resistance here coming in between 37.36 to about as high as 37.40. That's our first area of interest here. Looking for the market to get up into this area and then reject and fall down deeper. Support 37.15 to about 37.03. Now, if we can get up here, that'd be a perfect area. But if not, you can see how much rejections we have right now. That could potentially lead to some downside movement even further. So again, nice couple rejections here. It could end up pushing us lower. Support 37.15 to about 37.03. Now once we get down in this zone, we are going to be looking for a nice double bottom here and then maybe a nice fade back to the upside. So keeping that in mind, in the meantime though, our first area is going to be this resistance coming in right now. So we'll see if we get that opportunity to push it down. And if not, where the market is at in the London session, if we still continue under this area, that could be the nice opportunity we get. But moving up above that, you can see resistance coming in right at these 37.68s to about 37.80, kind of where we were earlier. You can see you kind of traveled down from that area. So that's going to be our next area of resistance up above as well. So we'll see what happens as we draw into the London session or even into the US session. If we're back up here, we may get a nice short opportunity coming right back down. So we'll see. But supports underneath those 37.03s is 36.77 to about 36.69. So keep an eye out for that as well. That could be some good opportunities there that we see for the short and for the long. Moving over into gold. Gold, we are at support, so we'll see if we get a nice bounce here. If we do, you can look for 1827.5 to be a nice long opportunity. If not, then you are going to be looking down below 1808.9. That's going to be the area of interest that we look for a nice long opportunity from there. Now resistance up above 1835.6 is going to be the area of resistance. So if we get back up into this area here and we fail to go through, look for a nice double top and then a nice push back to the downside. That's what we're going to be looking for. You can see gold does some pretty decent M's and W's, so there should be some good opportunity that comes into play here on gold. If we get the short from 1835.6, we're going to be taking that. If we get the long from 27.5, could be taking it right back up as well. So we'll see what happens there. Resistance up above that, 1855.6 to about 1861. That's going to be the area of interest for me that I look for resistance up above. Moving over into crude oil, let's take a look at what we got. So crude oil, we are right at support. You can see a nice bounce of support that we had here the first time. Nice area. Looking for this market to come back down here. If we get a nice double bottom, look for an opportunity to push into these 106s and then above that, traveling back up to 107.53. That's what we're going to be looking for. Our resistance up above there is that 107.53, and if not there, 108.79. So once we get into one of these two areas, if we reject underneath by this low, we are going to be looking for a nice short opportunity from there. If not, we could be looking for the market to come right back up into these 108.79s and get a nice short opportunity as well from there. So those are going to be our shorts there, but as of right now, we're close to where support is. You could end up getting a micro level of resistance trying to push it back down, which is going to be right here off these 106.08s. So again, if you want to try to do that and get it back down into this area, could be looking for a good opportunity there. But if not, you could look for the fade as well. But if you want that trend trade, wait to get those resistance peaks. If it fails to go through, look for the short opportunity from there. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500 gold and also oil. Again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe with us. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. I'd love to get back to you guys. You guys take care. Have a great night. If you guys are going to continue to trade, make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience. Take care.